Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing very well. If you are new here, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest video on your phones. In this video I have brought some bridal bouquet made with real peacock feathers, as you can see in the video. These bouquets are very beautiful and stylish. The look is very gorgeous. These bouquets are made of real peacock feathers and embellished with the ribbon, and you can see the flowers are also there, which make them very beautiful. The combination of purple flowers with peacock feathers, they make them very attractive and gorgeous. These bouquets are decorated very beautifully, as you can see. The base, there is a satin ribbon which is bounded around the base. As you can see in the video, some bouquets are embellished with the pendant, or there are lots of stones, and in some bouquets there are flowers, very beautiful flowers and colorful flowers. The purple combination with green red and the real eye feathers of peacock made them very bright and eye-catching. I love these bouquets. If you like these bouquets, then please watch the video till end and drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting there. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.